Hello, this is one of the first videos that I'll be doing for this freshman seminar Life Jackets and Parachutes course. We kind of went over the syllabus last time in class. Week 2, since we're going to be, away for the holiday weekend, kind of wanted to do a video to tell you that there are still things that I'd like you to look at in here. If you go into content and then week 2, there is a list of things to do here. I want you to log into My Info, and if you need to find your net ID, you can look for that under Personal Information, View IDs. And then check your contact info within your My Info space, and especially your email address to make sure it's correct in the system. You need to complete the EverFi trainings under Student Services Prevention ID, and they must be done before you can register in October, November for next semester. And I guess the average completion time for these is 4 hours. So just make sure that you get that done, and then watch these videos below. And then there's kind of a freshman survival list here that will be good for you to take a look at. And the videos, I can tell if you've watched the videos because Brightspace allows me to do that. So please do that. Let's see here. Let me show you My Info, where those trainings are. Just going to go to the, so you would go to current students. We're at the Montana State University website. I'm just going to go here because that's where I normally go. So I have a lot of my stuff already set up. If you need help with that, IT can help you. So I think under here, let's see, Student Services Prevention ID. I wonder if that would be under mine. Student Services Prevention Education. Oh, Prevention Ed. And then, so you have to register, and then you have to agree, and then you go to next, and then you would continue to, you'd probably put new student in here. Yeah, and probably new student here as well, and your name and your age, and then I agree, and then next, and then I think you would just kind of launch into a series of videos and trainings, but you all need to do that before you can register next fall. So anyways, I was just going to do a quick video to kind of tell you what was expected of you in week 2, since I'm going to be gone, or we're going to be gone. We're not going to be meeting because of the holiday, but it doesn't mean that I don't want you to do a few things and be aware of a few things. And these videos are really actually pretty interesting. And then kind of, I guess I'll go into this list here. And just some helpful tips. These are actual tips from sophomores that kind of were things that they wished they knew when they were freshmen. So show up to class, get homework done as soon as you can instead of putting it off. Time management, have a game plan every day, what you need to do. And set aside a certain amount of time for homework, and use a planner to keep track of due dates. Don't fall behind, stay caught up. Get to know your professors. Make sure you go to class and do your work early. Don't wait until the last minute. And work in a team. With every class, you need to work together to get things done. So be willing to work with others. And then focus on creating goals that are small. I will write part of my paper today, not the whole thing. I will write it this morning from 9 to 10. I will write at least 200 words. Creating specific goals is helpful. Time-bound goals, 9 to 10, just small goals, and chip away at things instead of having to leave everything for last minute. And another thing, just taking care of yourself is a lot of something that you need to learn. I mean, they talk about the freshman 15 because you're away from home. You don't have mom and dad helping you eat, so or helping to take care of you in general. And so people tend to get, gain weight, and freshman depression is also another thing that is talked about, and part of it's just because you just don't know how to take care of yourself quite right yet, and so try to eat healthy food, fruits and vegetables. Keep on top of your health and fitness. So go for walks, go to the gym, get involved in a sport. Go to bed at or before 10 a.m. and that's pretty important. Some of the best sleep that you'll get is between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. And also take naps. You're young, you need to be taking naps. Sleep is really important. Take care of your mental health. College depression is very real. It happens for many different reasons. We have counselors here on campus. You can just Google it. And if you need to help with any of that, they're here to help you. Make friends. Try to make friends. Even if you're not good at it, just try, and people will notice that you're trying. Get involved on campus. It's a great way to meet people, join clubs, explore campus in the town of Havre. So this isn't really showing up very good. I'll have to see why that's not. I just noticed that that's really not showing up very well. Let's see. Well, anyway, I had some decent pictures in here. For some reason, they're really not looking very good. But let's see if this helps. Nope. Well, anyway, there's walking trails. There's the Baltras Trail, which is east of town. There's the Devon Trail, which is right across the street from Cowan. And there's walking trails like fishing and camping in the Beaver Creek Park south of Havre. And then there's the Bear Paw Ski Bowl in Havre. And this is a link that you can click on. It'll take you to their Facebook page. So you can add them, you can like them, and so you can start to follow them. And the same goes for Bear Paw Winter Sports, which is where you would rent your skis. Havre Trails is a really interesting organization. Bear Paw Ski Volunteers, Friends of the Animal Shelter. So the Volunteers is kind of a little different thing, but they work with the ski bowl. And the Friends of the Havre Animal Shelter, they actually put on events like wolf stock, pretty fun events. So anyway, that's just kind of the survival list I put together for this class. So that's week 2. So hopefully you come in here and you see this video and you kind of go through the content area of week 2 and watch the videos and read through some of the stuff that's in there. All right, talk to you later. Bye.